Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove add-ons on Gusto. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove some add-ons because you accidentally signed up for them on Gusto. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? In addition, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get a $100 gift card Visa sent to you. So in order to remove add-ons, all you've got to do is click on the bottom left-hand corner where it says your company profile name. Next, go ahead and click on Plan and Billing. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Get Add-ons. So at this section here where it says Add-ons, I don't really have any add-ons right now, but this is where you would actually go ahead and remove any add-ons from your Gusto online account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove any add-ons on your Gusto Payroll online account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.